Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today we talk about Eurocom MIL-4TD 810H compliant laptop with Intel Core Ultra 7 255H processor. So friend, Eurocom launched the new BLITZ Ultra 2 lightweight, robust and fully customizable laptop designed for engineers, military and defense contract, content creator and all kind of computer users who require lightweight professional grade computing on the go, combining the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 255H processor with military tested MIL-STD 810 durability and long-lasting 10-hour battery. The BLITZ Ultra 2 is engineered for users who demand lightweight performance, long battery life, and mobility without compromise. And as the heart of BLITZ Ultra 2, it's powered by 16 cores, 16 threads, and Intel R140T integrated graphics, pushing up to 5.1 GHz for demanding tasks, and also available in Intel Core Ultra 5 225H variant. And this platform delivers exceptional single core and multi-core performance for professional working on coding application, on code competition, 3D modeling, virtual machine, and everyday productivity. So friend, it's achieved up to 32% higher single core performance compared to the previous version, improving responsiveness across professional application, and paired with up to 128 GB DDR5 memory, 16 TB of NVMe SSD storage in RAID 0 and 1 configuration, and it is a fully capable of handling demanding computing tasks while maintaining ultra low power consumption for extended battery life. And the laptop weight around just 1.46 kg in the 14-inch model and 1.75 kg for 16-inch model. Its slim 18 mm chassis is built to MIL STD 810 military standard, ensuring resistance against drop, vibration, shock, and extreme environment. And it's equipped with 73 watt-hour battery and the BLITZ Ultra to achieve over 10 hours of real-world battery life, allowing user to remain productive throughout the workout without consistently searching for a power outlet. And the BLITZ Ultra 2 is fully equipped with Essential and modern I/O port, including Thunderbolt 4 with power delivery and display alt mode, enable high-speed data transfer, and USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port with power delivery for versatile charging and peripheral support, and USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-A port and USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type-A port with ensure compatibility with legacy devices, and HDMI 2.1 port, RJ45 LAN, and 2-in-1 audio jack and DC in jack for dedicated charging. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.